Ever wondered why you might be feeling sluggish or fatigued lately? The answer could lie in a nutrient often overlooked in our diets, vitamin B2. Also known as riboflavin. In this video, we'll delve into the realm of vitamin B2, exploring its incredible benefits and how it plays a crucial role in maintaining energy levels and overall well-being. Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets to maximizing the benefits of vitamin B2 for your health. Welcome back, viewers. Today, we're diving deep into the world of vitamin B2, also known as riboflavin, and its remarkable impact on our health and vitality. In today's discussion, we'll be sharing three main topics. Firstly, we'll explore the benefits of vitamin B2. Next, we'll delve into how to properly absorb vitamin B2. And finally, we'll discuss who specifically needs to ensure they're getting enough vitamin B2 in their diet. Before we delve further, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Now, let's embark on our journey into the wonders of vitamin B2. Vitamin B2, also known as riboflavin, is a crucial nutrient that plays multiple roles in the body, making it essential for overall health and vitality. Firstly, vitamin B2 is a key player in energy metabolism, where it helps convert carbohydrates, fats, and proteins into usable energy for the body. Without adequate vitamin B2, the body may struggle to produce sufficient energy, leading to feelings of fatigue and weakness. Moreover, vitamin B2 is vital for maintaining healthy skin, eyes, and nervous system. It plays a crucial role in the production of red blood cells, which are essential for carrying oxygen throughout the body. Additionally, vitamin B2 acts as an antioxidant, helping to neutralize free radicals and protect cells from oxidative damage. Overall, ensuring an adequate intake of vitamin B2 can enhance energy levels, support healthy skin, eyes, and nervous system function, and protect the body against oxidative stress. Obtaining sufficient vitamin B2 from your diet is essential for maintaining optimal health. Fortunately, vitamin B2 is found in a variety of foods, making it relatively easy to incorporate into your meals. Dairy products such as milk, yogurt, and cheese are excellent sources of vitamin B2. Eggs, lean meats, and poultry also contain significant amounts of vitamin B2. Leafy green vegetables, such as spinach and broccoli, are rich in vitamin B2, as well as whole grains like wheat germ and enriched breads and cereals. Including a variety of these foods in your diet can help ensure you're meeting your daily vitamin B2 needs. It's also important to note that vitamin B2 is water-soluble, meaning it dissolves in water and is not stored in the body. Therefore, it's important to consume vitamin B2-rich foods regularly. While vitamin B2 deficiency is relatively rare in developed countries, certain individuals may still be at risk and need to pay closer attention to their vitamin B2 intake. People with certain medical conditions, such as celiac disease, Crohn's disease, or those who have undergone weight loss surgery, may have increased vitamin B2 requirements or difficulty absorbing this nutrient. From food, vegetarians and vegans may also need to pay special attention to ensure they're getting enough vitamin B2 from plant-based sources. Understanding who needs vitamin B2 is essential for ensuring that everyone maintains optimal health. By identifying those at higher risk of deficiency and taking appropriate measures to address their needs, we can help promote overall well-being and vitality for all individuals. Before we wrap up, share your thoughts in the comments below. Did you learn something new about vitamin B2 today? What other topics would you like us to explore in future videos? Your feedback drives our content, and we're always eager to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.